Join us this Saturday, May 24th at 10 a.m. for Saturday morning run-ins on Inside the Zone with Lady D on YouTube. We're talking things I brought from yard to abroad, from the Dutch pot and tambourine to the family Bible, blue bomber and granny enamel mug. These keepsakes held deep meaning and powerful memories. Join us live as we share stories, reflect on our roots, and celebrate the things we just couldn't leave behind. Like, share, and subscribe to Inside the Zone with Lady D and invite your friends and family to be part of the experience. See you on Saturday at 10 a.m. Remember for carry the chimney.